Your Galaxy S23 is a powerful smartphone designed for seamless performance, but sometimes you might encounter unexpected slowdowns, particularly during app installations. If you're experiencing lengthy app installation times on your Galaxy S23, this guide will walk you through a series of troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. The first thing you have to do is to make sure you have a fast and stable internet connection, as your phone will literally download the files into the local storage. Just do a speed test to know how good your internet connection is and whether or not you're getting what you're actually paying for. Assuming that your connection is fast but the problem persists, then the culprit should be the app scanning during the installation. Disable that and the installation will surely become faster and smoother. Here's how you do that. Open the Settings app and tap on Battery and Device Care. Select Device Protection. Tap on More Options in the top right corner and tap on Device Protection Settings. Disabling auto scan when installing apps is enough to fix this problem. However, you can also disable auto scan apps daily if you notice your phone has become sluggish. However, we urge you not to disable the device protection settings as it might compromise the security of your phone. And that's pretty much it. We hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching.